Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dine with Possible Food. So today we are preparing Ekpang-Nkukwo. We are doing native today. It's not the usual. This is a meal with a different Ekpang-Nkukwo with a different. So we're using water yam and cocoyam. I grated together. So this is our leaf. This is actually my grandma's recipe. We are using oziza to spice it up with scent leaf, which is called ntonoko and alusa. So this is our recipe. We have here periwinkle, we have goat meat, we have kanda, that's cow skin, we have fish, we have stockfish. This is our pepper mix, and this is our crayfish. This is what is ekpangukọ without red oil, and this is our odogu, the one that we use most, vegetable leaves. So guys, let's proceed. I'm sure you will learn something amazing from this recipe. So first, guys, I will start by lightening my gas. Then the first step is this goat meat has been 50% boiled, so we'll boil it again so that it will be soft. Then the next thing is our pepper mix. This is our pepper mix. The next is our seasoning. So allow it, put a little water. Stir and allow everything to combine. Then add a little onion. Cover it and allow it to cook. So guys, at this point, we have something going on fire. So we move in with our water yam and cocoyam. First, I'll put oh, seasoning with crayfish because I don't want a situation that when it is wrapped, the inside would be tasteless. So we season with crayfish, then with some seasoning cube, then we mix everything together. I promise you, if you try this recipe, if you try it this way, your ekpang can never go wrong. So we got to massage it so that the seasoning, the crayfish, the cocoyam, and the water yam, everything will combine together. So guys, we have seasoned and massaged everything to combine the crayfish and the seasoning. So now it's time to wrap. Join me, let me wrap. Let's do the wrapping. This meal, when you're preparing it, it takes a lot of patience to achieve this meal. But I promise you, your time will not be a waste one because you enjoy the meal when you finish it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the complete video. So guys, this is our pot. We are using our granite pot. So we start first. We light. Okay. This is our oil. Going with our oil first. Be generous with your oil. Then next is our periwinkle. Use a lot of periwinkle. The next thing is our stockfish. Okay. Now it's our odogu. The real, we have to layer it one by one, put it one by one. We have this, we are yet, the flavor is everything you will need in your ekpang-nkukwo. Don't forget next when you are cooking ekpang-nkukwo. At this point, we are done wrapping our ekpang-nkukwo. I remember back then when my grandma wants to cook this meal, we start in the morning, then we'll finish it at night. So gone are those days. So now we are done wrapping it. So it's time to go into the cooking. Follow the process. I promise you will enjoy it. You will not regret it. So guys, you guys saw when I cooked this meat earlier today. So this is the goat meat. What's the goat meat? This this ekpang-nkukwo is not the usual ekpang-nkukwo that you know. This is the ekpang-nkukwo with a different. Then the next thing is our kanda, then pepper for spicy, crayfish. So we add a little onion again. Then now it's time to on fire. Can you see the yori? So we are using hot water. First, I'll go in with the stock that I use in cooking the meat. Then when you're putting the water, very, very important, when you're putting the water, you do not just pour the water inside the your prepared ekpang. You just make sure it is hot water. You put it at the side. Put it at the side of the leaf and make sure that it is hot. You don't go in with cold water. You don't want it to start scratching in your throat when you're eating it. Yes. So this is the stock that I use in cooking the goat meat that I put earlier. So, okay guys, it's time to cover it and allow it to cook. Trust the process. I promise you will not regret it. So now that the ekpang is cooking, so we'll slice our veggies that we'll use when the food is done. And I told you guys earlier that we are mixing. This is adusa. We are using adusa, and also we are using scent leaf. Then we use the remaining vegetable that we use from to wrap the ekpang-nkukwo. So follow the process. So I'm slicing this vegetable so that I'll put the vegetable when the food is done. So it's time. Oh guys, can't see the face. It's yummy. So it's time for our fish. And we'll go in with some seasoning cube again. Okay, guys. Guys, so it's time. So guys, we come to the end of this show. Dine with possible food is the name. So this is the ekpang-nkukwo. We have a lot of protein meat, we have kanda, we have fish, we have a lot of meat inside. I'm sure you were watching it. If you did not watch the show from the beginning, please go back and watch it because this recipe it's everything you will need to learn. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget. Dine with possible food. Thank you. I love you guys.